There they are. Get them.
All right, how am I gonna talk my way onto MJ's couch? Hi, MJ, it's Peter. Any chance I could stay over? Oh, that's too formal. MJ, I was just in the neighborhood and... Oh, that's lame.
Speak from your heart, Peter.
Hey, MJ, now that we're talking again, I thought maybe... Okay, that just sounds pathetic. Why am I making this such a big deal? Friends crash on each other's couches all the time. It's not weird or anything. It's just a couch. MJ's couch. Oh, what am I thinking?
What?
Just got a web alert. Huh. Looks like MJ's story just got published.
That's
I
impressive.
think I'll find somewhere else to stay. She's probably busy with work.
Oh, come on, man. Boo.
Someone left me a voicemail. Number's blocked, though.
Hey there, Spider. Long time no see.
Hello?
Come to this address. Catch me if you can.
Uh-oh. I think I know that voice.
They're fine. I don't need to help everyone.
Hello, Spider. Been thinking about you a lot lately. We were good together, weren't we? Maybe it's time to reignite the flame.
Black Cat?
Don't tell me she's scoping out places to rob. She
Bro,
promised
what
she'd
is
give up-
that? What is she talking about? There we go.
There. One of her cats. Hey, May. You're calling late. What's up?
I thought we were gonna meet up for dinner tonight.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. I forgot.
Typical
It's been
Peter.
a hard day. Can't believe I haven't slept since the Fisk takedown. Gotta start taking better care of myself.
Dang, that's like 3 hours. Time for a good night's of time for a good night's sleep. Come on, Peter. You can't accept that.
I can't take this.
You can and you will.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Just wanted to let you know I'm headed out of town.
Such
You're
a
in charge while I'm
positive
gone.
guy.
It's some personal business I've been planning for a while. But please take care of this place. It represents the best part of me.
Positive side of me.
Mayor Osborne just announced he's going to give Officer Davis an award this afternoon.
Wow. Wait, isn't Osborne's campaign rally this after? Oh, I see what he's doing.
I'll be there covering it. Wanna join me?
Yeah, of course. See you then.
A date? Oh boy, Peter. Gotta get ready. I hope this rally goes well. Oh, wait. Is this it? Is this the one? Helping Howard. I love helping Howard.
Howard, long time no see. How's Pidgey doing?
He's a little down today. Misses his cousins. When they kicked me out of my place, they set all my birds loose. Pidgey's the only one who found me. I've been looking everywhere for the rest of them. But with
I can
my
find them.
bad leg and all,
You know what? I get around. How about I keep an eye out for him?
This is the only side quest that I will be doing. Collecting the pigeons. We're gonna go look for one right now.
do that?
Howard's pigeon.
Pigeon!
Come on. Hey, Jeff. Congrats
Wait,
on
I'm
the
not ready
ceremony
yet.
Today.
Public speaking. But I'm calling about something else. Got a tip that the
I'm-
demons are moving on the Fisk
I
construction
can't
site
talk
in
right now.
town.
I'm chasing
Well, that would
pigeons.
kill me if I ditched the same prep to pick up the problem, but
Oh,
now
that
maybe
poor
my friendly neighborhood boss would want to know.
that poor
Understood.
thing.
Here's a tip on public speaking. Just picture everyone in their underwear. Wait, not Osborne. You know what? Just never mind.
That's just weird. Just weird. Where are the criminals? Oh, I see what's happening. Oh wait, I'm gonna squat. 1, 2, 4. That it? Where's the other one? Oh, there they are. Here, I'll help. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna find all the pigeons. Not today, not tomorrow, but eventually.
The following might not only get the project back on its feet.
Get you out of here! Whoa! And you! I didn't know you were there. Hey, it's Fisk. Wish Daredevil was in this game. Hey, it's the E3
Jeff,
footage.
I'm here.
What do you see?
Find the rest. The boss wants them dead.
You got this?
I got this.
This part was so hype when it released back in the day.
Get nap time.
Oh. Get up here. Oh, sorry, guy. Oh, he's safe. More like, not safe. Bong!
Sleep it off.
He's left confused.
You got what you came for. You don't need to kill us too.
Is this the part where everyone freaked out about the water particles?
Not today.
Wood pallet. Can I take this from you? I can. You guys really gotta stop throwing stuff. Oh my. I just broke his jaw in 3 different places. You're lucky Spider-Man caught that.
You.
Nice jumpsuit. Slimming.
Stay out of my business.
Aw, now he just dropped it.
Saving bad
Oh
guys
boy.
from other bad guys. Not how I thought today would go.
Excuse me, fellas, just gonna intervene right here.
Literally didn't see that coming.
Oh, you guys like these reflexes? Oh, oh, oh! Boom! You want what he's having? You're off the roof. Goodbye. Thanks for that.
Around the outside to look for Fisk's men.
Ah! I missed my web. There we go.
Sure.
See ya. Hello. You almost fell off the edge. That would have been horrible. Just devastating. I think you're going off the edge. Oh, you're saved. Oh, wait. No, you're not. Oh, I hit myself, but it was worth it. Go! Your neck is no longer existent. Oh. Whoa! Hit yourself. Oh boy. We got Chunky Boy.
Hey, big guy.
Sun's getting real low. Just gonna. There we go. Problem solved. Oh yeah, I'm fast. I'm fast. Oh! Whoop! Heads up. Up high. Bring it low. Boom! Here, I'll take that off your hands. Boom! Oh, see ya. Oh. Stop! In the name of the law, and all spiders. This is not gonna end well. Yeah, I don't know what you were thinking.
Oh, come on.
Come on, Spidey. This is your big cinematic moment.
No!
Think fast. Okay, this is what I've trained for. X. X. X again. Come on, Spidey.
Go!
Nice. Can we look at our work?
Did that just happen?
Oh, that's beautiful. Wow.
Helicopter with a wrecking ball?
Yeah,
My bad.
things with the demons got complicated. Sit tight, Yuri. I got this. Whoa, rockets!
That helicopter is destroying the city.
I know.
I'm working on it.
You need to bring it down.
I know.
Maybe you could superhero a little faster?
Working on it, Yuri.
What is my plan? There we go. Sir, can I have my box back? Oh, that's not what I meant. This guy sucks. Woo! Come on, parkour. Oh, I was gonna try and jump through that little cube, that little square. Whoa!
Hi, is this the flight to Newark?
Safely put you back.
This is your master plan?
You're
Replace
stuck
Fisk?
now.
One engine
Oh.
down. Helicopter's engines.
Come on! This is definitely gonna go better than the first plan.
Plan real fast.
I almost missed
Yes,
that.
this is the plan.
Oh, that's horrible.
Come on, Pete. You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Oh, that makes it better. Heh, there you go. Pose for the camera. Okay, now the mask has eye holes. Before it
These
didn't.
masks are so awesome. Where do you get them? Yes. Whoops. Hey, Yuri. I caught the bad guys, but...
But what?
You might want to bring a ladder. Yo, Miles. Hey, fanboy.
Hey, it's Miles Morales.
Coming?
Nah, I gotta get to City Hall for my dad's ceremony.
All right. Tell your pops I said congrats. MJ, did they start the ceremony yet?
They're still setting up. Where are you?
Got hung up at work. Be there soon.
Hey,